Hi guys, it's me again, Maz Vlog, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about online services. And kung bago pa lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be get notified whenever I have new uploads. So, because of modern technology guys, marami yung nagagawa natin through internet. Nandiyan na yung online shopping, online window shopping, of course, magkasama yan. Ang sarap, di ba, mag-scroll, mag-online window shopping. Then, nandyan na rin ang online studies, e-learning books, available na lahat because of the power of internet, because of modern technology. Nauso na rin ang online dating, online ligawan, uso na rin ang online away, o di ba? Yun yung power ng technology. Maybe next, magkakaroon na rin ng online wedding. So, speaking of online, marami na rin yung nagagawa ng electronic services. So, today, I'm going to share to you about how to do an online application for Philippine passport. So, let's start. So, we go to Google. Or you can use your mobile phone also. Using your browser, set it in desktop site. So, from here, you can see, because I have searched here before already, so they have this DFA online. So, we will select scheduled appointment. So, you can see from there, DFA online appointment. You can just type that one in your search bar and select schedule an appointment. So here we are. Reminder, applicants are advised to use Google or Yahoo email accounts in securing an appointment to avoid any technical incompatibilities. So you just accept the terms and condition and start individual appointment. So, from here, you can select the region. If you are in Asia Pacific, Europe, North America, South America, or Middle East. So, since in Philippines or in Hong Kong, Singapore, like that, you can select Asia Pacific. Country is Hong Kong. And site. Since I'm in region 2, or you can select the nearest DFA in your location. So, the nearest in my location is this Santiago, Isabela. Then, next. So, from here, so we will select the date. Let's say 18 and at 2 p.m. Then, I'm not a robot. Next. So, from here, it's your personal information. So, since it's just an example, we just make then email address. Oh, youtuber.peg@gmail.com. Last name De La Cruz Juan Mariano. Date of birth August 19, 1945. Gender, of course, you know your gender. Civil status, Single, married, widowed, separated, annulled. These 4, you can select this 4 as long as you have this valid proof. So, let's say single. Birth of legitimacy. Select mo legitimate kung married ang parents mo. Legitimate if they are not married. So, let's say, parents are not legitimate. So, Philippines, province of Quirino. Where is Quirino? Quirino is in Region 2, located at Cagayan Valley near Isabela. We are surrounded by Nueva Vizcaya, Nueva Ecija, Aurora, and Isabela. We are at the middle. So from here, you can fill up your family information. Your father's information. De la Cruz, Asuncion, Delgado. Countries of citizenship, Philippines. Mother's information. Maiden last name. Maiden means apelido ng nanay mo nung pagkadalaga. Mariano, Maria, first name, Agapita. Citizenship, Philippines. Then, next. Application type, you can select if you are going to renew, for replacement, or new. So, we're taking new. Basic of Philippine citizenship by birth. Foreign passport holder, no. Emergency contact number, Kulas Agapito. Yan. Next. Naka-auto-input na kasi yung aking laptop. Address. From here, it's your application information. Contact information. So, you're going to put your address. San Miguel. San Miguel. City of Mandela. Province of Quirino. Then, occupation, pensioner. Since wala tayong office, then just leave it blank. Next. So, from here, this is the summary of the one you fill up earlier. So, from here, you can check your details, the spellings of your names, all the details, important details. You will finally check it here if you have any corrections like that before you can proceed. So if it is all right, so you can see from here your selected date and time of appointment. Then you can just select again, click I'm not robot. Just accept this one. Tick and confirm. So now they have only one option here. It's the regular processing. They don't have the other processing. It's the rush one. Maybe because of COVID, they don't have that option. So regular processing is 950 pesos. It's 12 working days for all consular offices. Please choose a payment method. Since I'm not using a debit card or credit card, I will select over the counter. But if you have some debit card or credit card, you can select this one. So, this is the amount you're going to pay. 950. So, pay now. So, from here, you can see that it says, your chosen mode of payment may charge a convenience fee. Fee must be settled within 24 hours upon receipt of the reference number. Your bank may not be available on weekends and holidays. Processing fee is not refundable and not transferable. Applicants are advised to appear on their scheduled appointment with complete requirements or risk forfeiting payment. So, since pag nakapagbayad ka na, hindi mo naman mababawi yung pera mo. So, make sure if you make an appointment, you are available on that day. Applicants availing on courier service shall submit their current passport for cancellation during their appointment. So, you just need to agree and proceed to payment. So, they have this 50 pesos convenience fee. You're going to pay at Bayad Center. And from here, you can see from here where you can find the Bayad Centers. They have these partners, authorized partners for Bayad Centers. Robinsons Mall, Supermarkets, LBC, EB, Spero Hub, USSC, True Money, Villarica, etc. or through 7-Eleven and EasyPay outlets. So, this is the total amount you're going to pay, 1,000 pesos. Then you just need to proceed. I'll just click proceed because if I won't be paying this one, the application will not be processed. So we just proceed. And are you sure you want to proceed? Confirm. So from here, you have the notification already. You have successfully selected and it's gone. So this one, you can print this one. So you can see from here, it's pending. This mode of payment is requesting for. So from the email, they will send you your reference number. So let's check our email. There. We have this already. The reference number. This is not your booking confirmation. This is your reference number. If you're going to pay at the Bayad Center, you will provide this reference number for your transaction. So once you will pay for that amount, they will send you another email. So you see this one. They have also here connection with your attempt to book a provisional schedule for passport services at Santiago, Isabela. To confirm your appointment, please pay the amount of 950 on your selected accredited payment center using the reference number below within hours upon receipt of this email. They didn't put it here. Maybe they give some consideration because of COVID virus. So, you can, if you have this one, you can just go and pay. Once you pay this one, they will send you another email confirming that your application or your booking is already confirmed. You have the confirmation of your booking already. So, that's it guys. Ganun lang ka-easy. I hope meron kayong natutunan sa aking video tutorial today. And thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I have new videos. You can join also my channel membership for special perks.